Let's zoom in closer to the jar, get the magnifying tool, and we're going to zoom in up here on the top left, get the polygonal lasso tool, and let me show you how to use the tool first. If we click with the tool around somewhere like this and close it, it's going to make you a selection. If we make the selections like this and you make the wrong selections and you want to go back to like this selection right there, press on the laptop keyboard the delete button. Delete, delete, delete. If you have a regular keyboard connected to your MacBook, you'd use the backspace button. Now, if you want to start all over again, you can press the escape button and the selection will go away. All right, let's select the jar. I want to cut inside of the jar just a little bit. I don't want to have any white on the left side over here. And I'm using the space bar to become the hand tool to move inside of Photoshop. That's a shortcut key. I'll let go of the space bar to keep selecting. Space bar to move, select. Space bar to move, select, select. Now I'm going around a circle, so I have to click a bunch of times. Now, the next part that's going to be really hard is going around these nubs on the bottom of the jar, which is very time consuming. But take your time and go around those little nubs and you will be rewarded because it's going to look really cool when you're done. And we get here, space bar, comes the hand tool so we can move over to the other area of the image. Let's keep on clicking around those little nubs. We're almost there. A couple more to go. And have this one last. And oh my God, there's more than I thought. Okay, let's select upside the jar. And on the right side, there's a shadow here. On this side, we want to stick with the light area. Press that space bar to move the jar to become the hand tool. And let's go where that light is on the jar. And we'll go around on the right side where that light is. Go. Keep selecting, keep clicking, 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 clicking. The more clicks you make, the more rounded it can look. Use that space bar to move the hand tool. There you go. Here we go. Almost done. When we get to the end, click that beginning click. There we go. Double click on the hand tool and that will show the full document inside of Photoshop. Now, let's click on the layer mask, the square with a circle on it, at the bottom of the layers panel, and that will delete the background. That's looking a lot better now, isn't it? Now my jar is a little crooked. It's leaning to the right a little bit. Let's click on the thumbnail of the image on jar copy, do a Command T to transform, click on the outside of the image area and turn the image until you think the jar is not crooked, and then press return. And that's how you turn something in Photoshop. Do Command S to save. This lesson will continue in the next video.